Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare a new slime. So simple. Let's ready. First of all, I take one bowl and powder. See powder. I take some powder. And I take color water. You take a normal water or color water? 1 spoon.
1 spoon, teaspoon, seed loaves.
Mix. I mix. This is the creamy. So first I take some flour and mix well.
बाथरूम में पड़ते थे बस तुझे ले ले ये बाथरूम में पड़ा है वहां पड़ा है वहां कुछ है
Saffron I mix very well. This is so powdery. Saffron this like half. I take some oil. You take hair oil or normal oil, Palestine. I take hair oil. Just half spoon.
And పిల్లలు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చూడు